Hi, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. I'm going through the actual process of connecting your iPhone to the PCM CarPlay that we installed using the factory system. So we're going to put the ignition on. Alright, that's ignition on. So now we're going to put the Bluetooth on, and scan for actually see what comes up. We're going to scan what comes up here. Just wait up. Press pause, wait up. So what you do is scan and then you see AutoVone. So now we're going to pair this iPhone here to AutoVone. So AutoVone is the one we need, so pair it. Pair. So we're going to pair it. Once you pair, connect to iPhone, to connect again, continue. And that will go straight to there. That's it. You don't have to press anything. It will go straight to there. But if you want to activate or deactivate CarPlay, you're going to press info for 3 seconds. Let's deactivate and press info again for 3 seconds, activate. So it doesn't really matter. As long as your phone is paired, once you get in the car, you go straight to CarPlay. Okay? Done. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.